Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the active specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. You get the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. But on top of this you'll also get air conditioning, cruise control, and the car's done less than 6,000 miles. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.